Confused on warehouse settings in TikTok Seller Center? I'll give you a breakdown in today's video. The first thing you're going to do is log into TikTok Seller Center. I always recommend to do it on a desktop for this. Go to account settings. Once you're in account settings, you're going to go to warehouse settings right here. Click on that. It's going to look something like this. Then you're going to click add warehouse. This is where you're supposed to be shipping out from. Once you're here, you're going to add that warehouse. And you can also set your shipping address as your return address, completely up to you. But again, you're just gonna add that info, and then now this is going to be updated and you're gonna have your shipping address. So that way, wherever you're shipping out from, it's correct. And then you can update your return address if your returns are going to a different place, right? Next, you're going to click on Go to Supply Chain System, just so I can give you a breakdown of all the shipping options that you have. So you have 3 different shipping options on TikTok. You've got Fulfilled by TikTok. Right now, you have to join a waitlist if you want to do this. It's similar to Amazon FBA. Then you have TikTok Shipping. This is where TikTok provides you with the shipping label, and you ship from your warehouse or you ship from your house. And then you have Seller Shipping. This is where you pretty much like purchase the shipping label yourself, right? Seller Shipping and TikTok Shipping and Fulfilled by TikTok, see these numbers? They're all completely made up. So this does not actually mean you have to pay $8 an order. It doesn't actually mean you're going to pay $4 an order. It doesn't even mean that you're going to be paying $4.28 an order. A lot of these are made up after I did the math on all of these. So just be wary and pick which one you think is going to be the best. If you want to do all of the shipping and collect all of the customer data, you're going to want to click this one. It gives you the customer's full address. It gives you all of their information, and you can pick and choose. Like you can choose to print the label from FedEx, or print the label from UPS, or print the label from USPS. This one, TikTok, you have to go through TikTok, and TikTok gives you the label. They do not show you the entire customer's information. And this one is completely different. You have to actually ship all of your inventory into a warehouse, and then once there's an order, TikTok then packages it for you and ships it out to the customer. So again, 3 different options. It's up to you on what you want to do. If you did want to pick an option, the Fulfilled by TikTok, you have to join a waitlist, and then if you get approved, you can enable it. For these 2, what you're going to do is go into the Orders tab and go into Shipping Settings right here. And then you can click, here we go, let's go to Overview. And let me just double check. After you're in Shipping Settings, you're going to click on Delivery Settings. And then this is where you can switch. So you can switch between Seller Shipping or TikTok Shipping. So you just click Switch Option and do what you think is best for you. I recommend to try them both out, right? If you want to do something that's easier, just do TikTok Shipping. But if you already have like partnerships and great pricing with USPS, FedEx, UPS, and you want all of the customer data, then you're going to be doing Seller Shipping, right? So completely up to you. I just wanted to give you a big breakdown, but that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, let me know what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full TikTok account management service. This is where we're going to get your product in front of affiliates, manage those affiliates. We're going to be doing your customer service, your listing SEO, your design, your TikTok advertising, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time on your business and expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.